The following is a Tornado Tag Team match. Introducing first, from New York, Shy Girl.
We're looking at some of the most intense competitors in all of WWE about to take part in one of the most anticipated matches ever.
She has been counting the weeks, the days, the minutes until this match, and she is now ready to compete.
And her partner, from New York, Albedo.
Just look at the swagger on display. I love it.
Swagger? Really, Saxton? You know a number of people in the back just despise this superstar.
Well, the WWE Universe clearly disagrees with you, Corey.
Oh, and what else is new?
She's been training for this match for quite a while, and she plans on making a statement here tonight.
And from the pits of hell, Lisa!
The WWE Universe already reaching a fever pitch upon their arrival, and we are just seconds away from a highly anticipated match.
She is ready for this big match, and she knows everyone backstage will be watching her make an impact.
And from the pits of hell, Akeno.
Some would say this superstar thinks a little too much of themselves, but the tape doesn't lie. This is a serious contender for any title.
They need to loosen up, have a little fun, heck, maybe even lose a match once in a while.
What? That is horrible advice. one of the top names in the entire women's division, and she plans on showing exactly why here tonight.
Superstars are in the ring and the bell is rung. It's Tornado Tag Team match time.
It's a thing of beauty, all this action. Throwing some of the rules out the window so these teams can just go at it.
Yeah, no more waiting in the corner for the tag. You just get to dive right into the fray.
Paint a picture for me, Corey. Hypothetically, what are some tactics you'd use to win a no DQ match?
Well, I'd stash some kendo sticks beforehand. Maybe have a buddy waiting to give me a much-needed hand. Maybe throw Saxton like a fastball special. That's the beauty of a no disqualification match. You can do all that and not get dinged. The sky is the limit.
Oof. This is awkward, guys. Not quite sure that's the word I'd use, but nonetheless. Repeated headbutts.
I think rage took over in that moment. Nothing but blind rage. Lots of counters from each athlete. Impenetrable defense. She gets taken into the corner. Needs to get out. A shot like that to the ego could really shake you up mentally.
Oh my goodness. That light tube is forced.
Kick to the knee. La Maestro cradle. Perfectly applied.
And she kicks out right away.
She still has a lot more in her.
Really thought that was going to work, but now we got a human being we have to scrape off the floor.
Got them off their feet here. Power slam. Good night. She fights back with the counter. Nah, right in the mat. Face first.
That certainly wasn't pretty.
Ooh. Mounting. And hammering away. Just going all out with every blow. Spine buster. The offense catching up with her now. Connects. Saw it coming.
Russian leg sweep.
Ooh, that hurt right to the kidney.
Golly.
Boom. Sliding in under the rope. She's back in the ring. She's making her way to the top turnbuckle. From the top rope. Good Lord. Taking flight.
Good measure.
Absolutely no telling what's underneath the ring now. From the top. Oh, shattering impact from the light tube. Producing a trampling.
Some agility gets her out of dodge. Oof. All the way up. Still up. Squatting too, my gosh. Stalling suplex. Big forearm. Ooh, right to the arm. Getting set up in the corner now. Oh, man, right to the arm.
Hyperextend your elbow.
She's ready to go all out, and she's letting her opponent know it.
Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
Face buster. She's going for the cover. And she breaks the count, saving her partner. She's getting back into the ring. Pump handle.
Just a thing of beauty.
Really had less than a second to stay alive there.
Shifting their motion into a takedown.
Stop after stop after stop. I think she's looking to end things here.
Taking things to the top rope.
It's a matter of wills now.
From the top. Totally missed that one. Roll up there. She breaks the ref's count.
We are this far into the match. Where is this energy coming from?
Bam! She put that attack around. Down to the cover.
The fate of the match is at stake. I gotta tell you, I thought she was done there.
she's going to serenade her with that.
We should probably, we should probably go.
Dribbling the opponent's head like a basketball.
She's going up now, going up high. Getting back into the ring now.
From way up, double axe handle.
Lifted way up. That'll jam your tailbone.
Belly. We have to be nearing the end of this one.
At this point in the match, there's no time to recover. The damage is look out.
She got her shoulders down. And stopping the pin there.
Ooh, what a forearm club.
Fires back with a crucial elbow.
Man, she's got to get herself together here. Taking down their opponent, looking to step through. Deathlock! Look at the torque.
This could result in letting go of her hold here.
Maybe she thinks enough damage has been done.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. And here's the cover.
Could be it.
Kick out just before 2.
Wow, I thought for sure that was it.
Really trying to do everything she can to get back in this.
Tackles, ruthless.
Ooh, and fights back.
Headbutt! Oh, what impact!
Oh, heavy contact into the steel steps.
Oh, man, right to the arm.
Hyperextend your elbow. Vicious knee. And is she... Yeah, it looks like she's bleeding now. Things are getting dicey for her.
Oh, man.
Caught with an 8.
Big boot! Jeez. Effective dodge there. She turns that attack away.
DDT. Carried in a jeopardizing position here.
Boom! Big forearm.
Cinching in a waist lock, but right hands.
Manages to fight out with a series of punches.
Legs caught. Boom! Right to the body. Lifted up. What's next? Dangerous intentions in her mind right now.
Wait a second. What? No! No, put that back. Barbed wire does not belong in here. Reverses the move into a DDT.
She's coming to, and she's not going to like what comes next. Kick to the midsection, full head of steam. That could be the last dagger to the heart.
She sees her rising to her feet. This is her opportunity. The high cross body.
Uh-oh, arms are trapped, no way to protect themselves. Rapid fire stomps to the back. Bam! And a drop kick. Picture perfect. She's choosing to leave the ring now.
Oh, goodness. Nothing but brutality with that barbed wire.
Just bludgeoning their opponent. Driven into the steel steps. And what need is there to go looking under the apron like this?
Settling on the kendo stick. No good can come from this.
And back into the ring she goes.
Listen to this place. It's unreal.
The decibel level in here right now is breaking glass. These fans are on fire.
And an answer from her.
Big time clothesline. Good grief.
Powerbomb.
Stop in the leg. Just nasty.
Wheelbarrow position.
Into a flapjack. Impressive. She has her down for the count.
She breaks it up, keeping her team in this.
Setting up.
Headed back into the ring.
We've seen her end matches with that before.
2. No, she kicks out.
Where is she finding Showing the strength.
This is unreal.
Down nearly through the mat with a spine buster, and it's about to get worse.
About to hit.
Hammering that offense.
Now look at this laser focus. She's looking to put this to bed.
Kick to the midsection, full head of steam. What a neck breaker. That puts her out. Time to take advantage.
This has to be it.
There's two. And the kick out.
I would have bet this was one after that last hit.
Goes to show you just never know what your opponent's capable of. And that result leaves everyone shocked. And will the shoulder come up if that move hits one more time?
From the top. Look out below. From up top.
Watch out.
What? Coming down on their opponent like a sack of bricks.
Oh, target acquired and destroyed. And that core area really getting lit up.
Back into the ring here. Now looking for something to waylay her opponent with.
A guitar? I did not see that coming.
Decides to leave the confines of the ring.
Sliding out of danger there. Sent into the stairs. That'll stop anybody.
Heading to the top rope here.
Getting up, but she has no up high.
All the way to the outside. From ring post to ringside, risking it all paid off.
And she's not done. Going up yet again.
About to hit. What a move. This could be the end.
That's one way to break up a pin attempt. Northern Lights!
She's struggling and looking like an easy target.
That'll turn your lights out. She's heading out of the ring. Countouts are not a factor for her.
The ladder from the top rope through the air.
It connects.
That's going to be on highlight reels for a long time.
Incredible courage to even attempt that.
Ooh, accurate roundhouse.
I don't know what they're looking for here.
She's got a guitar, but I don't think she's classically trained. Bang, right to the top of the charts.
She's going under the ring now.
Clearly thinking a steel chair is what's needed right about now.
Climbing up. She got something big planned here.
Lift off and a series of vicious stomps. Good God, just a disgusting thud heard here at ringside.
From the top.
Whoa, what a landing.
I can't believe what we just saw.
I can't believe that didn't miss. Ooh, what a forearm club.
Ooh, right in the face. Power drop kick.
Now bringing her fury to ringside.
Clothesline.
Oh, that'll leave a mark. Oh, man, right into the steel steps. She gets around the attack. Knew what was coming there. Ooh. Connects the fist to the face. Great counter. Better watch your step now. She's getting all sorts of fired up. Cut up. Oh, my goodness, what a knee strike. That's it. She might have just...
Chop.
Not done just yet.
A handstand.
That's got to be a wrap.
Shoulders down. This could be it. She saves the match for her team.
Nicely done. Boom.
And she's returning fire.
She's going to try it again.
Just hot shot it to the outside.
Another stiff shot to the head here.
Will that finish her off?
Might have her shoulders down. Gets there. Teammate makes the save.
In the corner now. She doesn't want to stay there.
What do they have planned here? Taking this match to the outside. Wow.
There it is, the
This has to be it.
No! 2 count!
Where is she finding the strength?
This is unreal. Powerbomb position. She's headed to the outside. No threat of count out here. Elbows to the face.
Elbows to the temples.
Counter after counter. Neither superstar getting the clear advantage.
Oh, that right tube just shattering all over them. He's got her down for the count. She might end it here. Scores the win. What a great team.
Here are your winners, Lisa and Akeno.
And a big-time victory for this tag team here tonight.
The way these women executed maneuvers, they must know each other inside and out.